everybody, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. We've got a great studio audience with us today. We're about to give the winner of the GTO Dream Giveaway a call. He won this wonderful 1967 Pontiac GTO. It's got a 400 HO engine and it's got a 4-speed. This is an excellent grand prize. Hey everybody, we ready to give the winner a call? Yeah. All right, let's do it.
Hello. Calls to this number are being screened by Smart Call Blocker. Please say your name after the tone, then press pound.
Chris from Dream Giveaway. Oh, hi, Anthony, please.
Yes, speaking.
Hi, Anthony. It's Chris Phillip, Director of Communications at Dream Giveaway. How are you on this Monday morning?
Oh, not too bad. It's a beautiful day today.
Good, good. Well, I'll tell you, it's not very often that we've had the chance to give one of our donors from Canada a call, but today is not only a special day for us here in the Dream Giveaway Garage, but it is for you as well. Anthony, how do I say your last name? Durkak?
Durkis.
Durkis, okay, I apologize for that. Yeah. Anthony Durkis
okay.
Of the great country of Canada, you just won a 1967 GTO in the GTO Dream Giveaway. Let's give him a round of applause.
Holy darn, I don't even remember when I signed up for that.
Well, it was way back in July of 2020. You made a great donation to help out 9 charities, including New Beginning Children's Homes.
Yeah, the charities, I've been looking at DreamWorks here giveaway, and you've got a lot of charities covered, that's for sure, and I'm all for that.
Well, great. Let me name off those charities for you real quick. Of course, New Beginning Children's Homes, Small Network International, Honor Flight of West Central Florida, Detroit Rescue Mission Ministries, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, National Guard Educational Foundation, Bright Pink, 4Kids, and our newest charity, Victory Junction. Hey, tell us a little bit about yourself, Anthony.
Well, I'm Canadian born, and I'm actually an underground miner. I'm a mining engineering technologist. Right now, I'm just partially retired, so this is a good news.
Well, absolutely.
Yeah.
You're not too far. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You're not too far from where this Pontiac was built new over in the Detroit metro area. Are you a car?
Yeah, no kidding.
You a car guy from way back?
Oh yeah, I'm a Mopar guy, but Pontiac's got some nice cars as well. Yeah, right now I'm working on an F-150, putting a supercharger on it, and yeah, so I'm busy tinkering with vehicles.
Well, great. We appreciate that, and those charities all appreciate your donation. Now, I got to tell you something. At this point, you're the conditional winner. I know that PJ will be calling you later and be getting some paperwork out to you. Once you get that paperwork notarized and back to us, you'll then be the official winner, and you'll be the winner, official winner of this GTO. What do you like most about this GTO?
Well, not only it's a muscle car. It's GTO goes back. I think they started in '64, and I think that GTO, the model, the following year they changed the style a bit. So I think this is the last year for that style. So GTO has always been a game changer when it came to the early 60s and 70s.
Yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely going to love the vehicle. We hope that you're going to keep continuing to be a donor and helping out all those great charities. I want to remind everybody who's watching, we've already got the winner for the GTO Dream Giveaway, but you're always a winner when you help out great charities at www.dreamgiveaway.com. And let's one more time from our studio audience, Anthony D. of Canada. Let's give him a big round of applause. All right, Anthony.
I still can't believe it.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic. Believe me, it'll sink in, and you'll be telling all your friends and neighbors. By the way, you can also look on our homepage, and your name is right there where it says the winner of the GTO Dream Giveaway.
Oh, great. I'll look at that, and yeah, nice. Yeah, as a matter of fact, just yesterday I bought more tickets for the Dream Giveaway.
Yeah, maybe you'll win a Mopar next time around.
Yeah, maybe.
But
the 67's no slouch either.
there you go. Hold on one second, Anthony, while I let our audience here know. Guys, be sure to ring the bell and like us on YouTube, like us over on Facebook and on Instagram. Everybody on Instagram, thanks for watching. Be sure to like us there, and on Twitter. We'll see you next time. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prize winners like Anthony D. from Canada, the winner of the GTO Dream Giveaway. It only happens here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.